practice number 9, turning. Today we will see how this machine works and the importance of this. First, I want to show you how to turn on this machine. The first step is going here and turn on this button to on our machine. Later, we come here and we pull our emergency button. Then we press this green button and our machine is ready to work.
The principal components of the lathe are: first we have the bed, that is like this, and the bed it's which supports all major components of the lathe. Then we have our headstock. It's fixed to the bed and it's equipped with motors. Then we have the chuck. It's equipped with 3 or 4 jaws that support the piece. Then this is the carriage that moves along and transversal of the lathe. This is the transversal and this is how you move in the length. And this is the tailstock that supports the other end of the workpiece. The last component is this, that the name is feed rod. It's powered and bisect of gears through the headstock and provides movement to the carriage.
To start this procedure, it's important first of all to set our piece using this tool. First, we are going to set the piece in the chuck, and we are going to tie the chuck. And we are going to close protectors. Now we can use our machine. To start, we have to put the carriage near the piece. We're going to do 2 different procedures, facing and turning. First of all, we have to turn on the machine. This is the facing and this is turning. We can do turning in 2 different ways, manually and automatic. In this case, we are not going to use the tailstock because our piece is not longer enough.
I'm going to tell you some specifications about this machine. The first one is that we have a Romilette and it works from 2240 RPM. This machine has a distance from our chuck to our tailstock of 1000 millimeters. It has 20 velocities and the diameter of our chuck is of 52 millimeters. And finally we have 250 millimeters of our transversal carriage.
We can work with different type of materials with this lathe. For example, the aluminum, that it's the one that we work in the practice. Steel, like 1045, 1018, etc. Also aluminum, that it's a hard plastic like this, but circular, obviously. different types of alloys like copper, nickel, magnesium, tin, and others.
I will show you some products that this machine can produce. The first one is can make a threading, and we do it with this tool to make this threading. Also, we can make a knurling choice, just to choose the kind of mark that we can make in our piece, and this is an example. Also, we can make a facing. As we can see in this piece, we have a clean surface, and we can make a parting, and as we can see also in this sample. And finally, we can make a drilling to make perforations in our pieces. Querétaro is the center of the mechanical and metal industry. There are about 200 companies that make and manufacture auto parts and metal forming. In this production, many metal manufacturing processes are involved, and turning is no exception. Business and industry applies this manufacturing process to create any parts that any another manufacturing process required.
In the turning practice, I learned that we can make also discrete and continuous products. This is a very important process in any industry, and also I learned how with different process we can make this discrete product like this. All it's done by the lathe.
In this practice, I learned how to use this machine. I get surprised how we can make different types of materials and shapes. Also, it's important to know that Mexico is an important country that can improve in this technology in automotive or special industries.
In this practice, I learned the importance of turning in the industry nowadays, and it was very interesting to learn this kind of process and how we can transform a piece of any material in a better product.